God can see a way in every situation, and He will make a way for you out of none. He will open the next door for you. He will hold you tight. He will hold your hand and take you through this phase. He loves you unconditionally with an everlasting love. He loves to see you happy. Take a deep breath and say, I am worthy of the wealth of the universe, and now I am ready to receive all the wealth of the universe. I am prosperous in every aspect of my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We love you so much, dear one. Take care.